My doctor told me that there's a medication that I'm going to have to take for multiple months and that I'll need to refill the prescription. What does that mean?
That is a great question. Sometimes your doctor will prescribe you a medication that you need to take for many years or even for the rest of your life. Some examples are medications used to control the level of the sugar in your body, to control seizures, or to help with high blood pressure. It is very important to keep taking these medications for the entire time that your doctor said, even if you start to feel better. The medication is what is helping you feel better, and if you stop taking it, that can be very dangerous for your health. When they give you a medication at the pharmacy, they can only give you a certain amount. Sometimes that amount is not enough for the entire time that the doctor wants you to take the medication, so you would need to go back to the pharmacy for more medication. If you check the bottle that contains the medication, on the bottom part, there's normally a number written that represents the number of times you can refill that medication. If you still have refills, you can call the pharmacy where you initially picked it up and ask for a refill. As before, you only need the name, date of birth, and address of the patient to ask for a refill, and then the pharmacy will call you when it's ready to be picked up. If on the bottle it says that you do not have any refills left, there's a 0. You need to call the clinic and talk with the nurse or your doctor to see if you need more of that medication. If you do need more, they will again send you a prescription to the pharmacy. It is very important that you ask for a refill days before you finish your medication. That way you can keep taking it every day and not miss out on a dose. It can take 2 to 3 days to refill a prescription, so make sure to plan out when you're going to ask for your refill to avoid a situation where you do not have the medication you need to take. Actually, there's a lot of information that you can find on the medicine bottle. You can see any side effects of the medication written on the bottle. If you have any questions about them, you can call the pharmacist or your doctor. Also on the bottle are the instructions on how to take the medication. You can also find information about the patient, such as their name and date of birth. Finally, you can see information about the pharmacy, such as the phone number, in case you need to call them.
Perfect. Thank you so much for all this information. I hope you have a great day.